Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered why we say an hour, but a horse? Or why we say the sun, but simply Mars? Today, we are going to master one of the most important parts of English grammar, articles. These are the small words that make a big difference, a, an, and the. By the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use each one. Let's get started. First, what exactly are articles? Simply put, articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. In English, we divide them into two categories. The definite article, which is the word the. The indefinite articles, which are a and an. Let's start with the indefinite articles, a and an. We use these when we are referring to a non-specific noun. This means we are talking about something general, or something the listener doesn't know about yet. Important rule. We only use a and an with singular, countable nouns. If you have two apples, you cannot use an. Now, how do we choose between them? Let's look at the rules for the article a. You use a before words that begin with a consonant sound. Consonants are letters like B, C, D, F, G, and so on. Let's practice reading these examples together. A banana. A car. A dog. A fan. A girl. A house. A lemon. A man. A tree. A zebra. Now, English can be tricky. There is a very important exceptional case you need to know regarding a. The rule depends on the sound, not just the spelling. Sometimes the letter U is pronounced like the word you with a Y sound. When this happens, we treat it like a consonant, so we use a. Listen closely to these examples. A university. A unicorn. A European. A eulogy. A utility. A unit. A union. A uniform. Now that we've mastered a, let's look at the main rules for the indefinite article an. We use an before words that begin with a vowel sound. The vowels are a, e, I, o, u. This makes the words easier to say smoothly. Try saying a apple, it stops your breath. But an apple flows perfectly. Here are some common examples. An apple. An elephant. An igloo. An octopus. An umbrella. An egg. An idea. An old man. An onion. An unexpected gift. Just like before, we have an exceptional case for an. Remember, we care about the sound. We use an before words that start with a silent H. Because we don't pronounce the H, the word actually starts with a vowel sound. Let's look at these examples carefully. An air. An hour. The H is silent, so it sounds like hour. An air. An hour. The H is silent, so it sounds like hour. An hourglass. An honorarium. An heirloom. An honest man. An honorable mention. Now that we know the grammar rules, let's talk about usage. When do we actually use these words in real life? First usage. When we use a, or an, we are talking about any one member of a group. Imagine a box full of pens. If you say, "I need a pen," it means you don't care which one you get. Any pen from the box will work. For example, Allie needs a pen. Let's buy an umbrella. Sarah wants to marry a rich man. Rita has a bag. I need an idea. I want to eat an egg. Rami wears a hat. Do you have a tissue, Omar? Let's see another usage. We use a and an to talk about jobs and professions. For example, a teacher, a doctor, an actor, an engineer, a chef, a pilot, an architect, a firefighter, a nurse, a baker. Here is another great usage. We use a and an with singular countable nouns in exclamations that start with the word what. This is used to show strong emotion or surprise. What a beautiful day! What an amazing view! What a cute baby! What a surprise! What a brilliant student! Now, let's move to the second type of article, the definite article, which is the. The is used to refer to a specific noun. This is something that is already known to the reader or the listener. Unlike a and an, the can be used with singular nouns and plural nouns, countable and uncountable nouns. Here are some simple examples. The pen is on the table. The dog is happy. The sun is bright. The car is red. The apple is tasty. The house is big. The flower is beautiful. When else do we use the? We use it to refer to unique objects. These are things where there is only one of them in existence or in our solar system. For example, the internet connects the world. The Earth moves around the sun. I'd love to visit the Eiffel Tower. We live on the planet Earth. The sun is huge. The Great Wall of China is a wonder. Here is another very common usage. The article, the, is used to refer to superlatives. This is when we use the word most or adjectives ending in est. Because there can only be one best or one tallest, we must use the. For example, he is the smartest. She is the tallest. It is the highest. Adam is the funniest. It is the best mark. That is the most beautiful. This next rule is vital for storytelling and conversation. We use the to refer to previously mentioned nouns. This means the first time you mention something, you use a. The second time, now that we know what it is, you use the. Listen to how the article changes in these examples. I saw a cat. The cat was sleeping. He has a car. The car is red. She ate an apple. The apple was sweet. I bought a hat. The hat is blue. He wrote a letter. The letter is for you. We ordered a pizza. The pizza was hot. And finally, here is the last usage for this video. The article the is used with certain geographical names. Usually, We use this for rivers, oceans, deserts, or countries that are a collection of states or islands. For example, the Nile River, the Sahara Desert, the Pacific Ocean, the United States of America, the Rocky Mountains. And there you have it, a complete guide to a, an, and the. Try to practice these rules in your next conversation. If you found this lesson helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.